Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. This is your situation and outcome in love. Bago mag-end ang May, hahabol tayo. Okay, so, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Okay, so meron tayong protection from evil eye. Okay, so ang pinoprotektahan, okay, ng ating mga evil eye na ito is yung mga nagbabato ng evil eye sa'yo. Okay, meaning to say bad energies. So yun yung parang inaalis niya or pinoprotektahan ka niya na mabigyan ng bad energies. Okay, so meron tayong ring, bracelets, and necklace. Okay, and syempre pagdating sa love, so ito naman si love bracelet, pwede yan sa singles, sa may mga conflict sa kanilang mga partners, yan pwede yun sa'yo. Okay, and yung ating grantor necklace, so si grantor necklace is made to order. So, taga-grant siya ng mga minamanifest mo and taga-pagbigay ng surprises. And, syempre, yung ating cord cut. Okay? So, si cord cutting, pagtatanggal ng mga unnecessary energy. So, na nakakapit pa sa'yo, nakadikit pa sa'yo, kaya ikaw itong parang nahirapang umusad. Pwedeng maapektuhan ng pamamera mo, business mo, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Kasi may mga nakababa. Oo, nakababa pa sa'yo. So, Capricorn, kung may tanong po, message lang sa akin FB page for more info. Wag po sa comment section. Wag sa comment section. Baka mamaya, sagutin kayo ng mga scammers. Okay? So, Capricorn placements. Situation. Anong meron? Situation ninyo mga Capricorn. Situation yun ni person. Okay. The Three of Swords in reverse. Okay. The Six of Pentacles. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Yun nga lang, may King of Cups in reverse. Some of you, sinasarado mo na talaga, no? Yung sabihin nating love. Sinasarado mo na yung love. Because some of you are healing. You're healing the trauma, kung ano man, yung hindi magandang nangyari sa past. Okay? Some of you are not ready. Yeah, the Chariot in reversed. Still, nasa process ng healing. Tingnan natin. And there's this energy of acceptance. Who is this person? Sino ba to? Taong to. The Emperor. You see them as somebody na pwedeng nakapag-provide. Okay, some of them they're a boss. Okay, may mentalidad sila na parang marunong talaga. They're responsible, some of them. Some of you, there's this person na talagang nagtatry or sabihin natin nakakatulong na ma-heal ka. Pwedeng itong taong to. Could be an Aries, air, earth. So the Emperor. Yeah, the Two of Pentacles in reverse. Hindi ka option ng taong to. Yeah, the Two of Cups. Hindi ka option. So, nakakakuha ka ng energy from this person na pwedeng sila yung tingin mo na meron kayong strong connection with. Or sabihin natin siya yung parang other half mo. Parang ganyan. Spiritually. Okay? So, may chance na nagiging okay yung situation mo sa ngayon kasi pwedeng iba sa inyo is parang may kakonect. na pwedeng nag-heal sa'yo, or sabihin natin ito yung taong para sa'yo. Yeah. This is nice. Okay, let's see. Anong emosyon niya for you? Nakita natin yung Two of Cups, ha? That's mutual. Kung anong emosyon mo for this person, pwedeng yun din. Vice versa. Ano emosyon niya sa'yo? The Devil in reverse. Yeah. The Devil in reverse. And the King of Wands. They want you. They like you. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Cups. Nakakita itong taong to ng sabihin nating long term. Okay? Some of you, they see you as somebody na parang hindi ka totally open for them. Yeah. Pero kaya kang i-pursue nito, or gusto kanyang i-pursue. They like you. They like you. What's with this King of Wands? Yeah, the Page of Cups in reversed. Alam mo, nakikita ka nito, Capricorn, like yung emosyon niya. Sa outer, sabihin nating strong. Pero deep inside, they're soft for you. Yeah, they're soft. Okay? Let's see. What is their next action towards you, Capricorn? The Four of Wands in reversed. And the Three of Pentacles. Hindi ka para i-force or pilitin. Andito yung parang slow burn. Okay, slow burner connection. Hindi ka makakaramdam dito ng stress. It's like parang playful energy. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. This is just like energy of happiness. Magpo-provide to ng something. Yeah, kaya pala parang nahi-heal. Because pwedeng nagagampanan ng taong to, or napupunan niya, or sabihin nating kung ano man yung parang kulang sa'yo is parang naibibigay. And yeah, healing is sabihin natin, yeah, kailangan din natin minsan ng somebody. Okay? Pero mas okay kung ikaw lang talaga. Pero yeah, nakakapag-provide siya something kung anong kailangan mo. And nakikita ko unti-unti na pwede kang maging open for this person. Hindi ka nila para pilitin. Hindi ka nila para madaliin. Para sa Four of Wands, para sa relasyon, no. Kung kailangan ka niyang i-pursue, pupursue ka. Any gender. Wala akong nakikitang gender na dito. Okay, could be babae, lalaki, kung ano man. Sabihin natin makikipag-cooperate sa'yo itong taong to in general. Mararamdaman mo yung sabihin nating smooth flowing energy dito sa connection na to. Okay? Yeah. Outcome, let's see. This is nice. Anong outcome nyo ng taong to? The Ace of Wands in reversed. The King of Pentacles in reversed. The Moon in reversed. Okay, so be careful din. Okay, kasi iba sa inyo pwede, eto outcome maganda naman actually, pero ang nakukuha ko dito, may chance na pwedeng mauna yung SEX. Okay, mauna yung SEX kaysa sa label. Pero ang nakukuha ko dito is talagang parang sa paayos din naman. Okay? Sa paayos din. Sabihin natin, yeah, sa una, medyo playful Playful. Okay? May magbababa. Oo. Ng boundaries. No? Yeah, slow burner. Pero sabihin natin, unti-unti na may magbababa. again, ng boundaries. So, ito yung energy ng connection na parang magsisimula muna as F-buddy papunta sa magandang connection. Parang ganun. Oo, nandun muna yung excitement, nandun muna yung sabihin natin sa umpisa, no? Sana nagigets nyo. Ano po yung F-buddy? Ayoko pong sabihin. Oo. Okay, so chararat body. Oh, yun na lang. Bawal po kasi banggitin, no? So, yun na nakukuha ko sa inyo. Taong to, yeah, they really like you, physically attracted itong taong to sa'yo. So, hindi malayo na pwedeng may mangyari muna. Parang ganyan. And then, eventually, magiging open sa isa't isa. Parang ganun. Okay, like, yeah, they're the emperor. So, hindi ka para i-upset ng isang emperor. For me. Okay? So, what else? Ano pa meron sa mga Capricorn? Situation in love. Situation and outcome. Bago mag-end ang May. Page of Swords in reverse. The Knight of Wands. Somebody's attracted. Somebody. Eto, I think hindi mo pa to nakaka-connect. Or I mean, hindi mo pa ito like totally like romantically na nakaka-connect. I think this person is giving you mixed signals. You're curious. Oo, pagdating dito sa connection nyo na to. Okay? So, yeah, the Page of Wands. There's this flirt energy, flirt. Let's see. Some of them, they could be younger. Ano bang meron sa kanya? Who is this person? Yeah. Who is this person? Ano meron sa kanya? Temperance in reverse. May Sagittarius dito. Eight of Wands in reverse. Hindi sila into words. Okay, excuse me. Hindi sila yung into words, kung ano man. Like, puro sila action. So, siguro, kaya ikaw nagkakaroon ng mixed signals. Pwede kasi yung sinasabi nito at sa ginagawa niya is hindi pareho. Okay? Yeah, may ganun. Yung iba dito may nakikita ko you're trying to stalk somebody. Or somebody is stalking you. There could be blockages. Paano po may stalk? Hindi lang po online pwedeng mag-stalk. Okay? May mga chance rin na pwedeng gagamit ng ibang account para ma-stalk ka. Pwedeng ganun ka rin. No? Ang daming paraan. Kung gusto. Di po ba? Marami. Titingnan mo yung friend niya. Mga ganun. Titingnan, babaka sakali. May makita. Yeah, mga ganung bagay. No? So, let's see. What is their emotion? What is their emotion right now for you, Capricorn? Oh, death. Oh. Yeah, there's this blockages. Why death? The Ten of Swords in reverse. Yeah, sabi ko nga, hindi pa nagkakaroon ng romantic connection. Dito sa connection na to. Dito sa sitwasyon nyo na to, wala pang romantic. Hindi niya masabi kung anong gusto niyang sabihin. Or sabihin natin parang hindi niya ma-prove or parang hindi niya mabago kung ano bang meron sa inyo. Some of them, they're too impatient. So, kung ano man yung gusto niyang sabihin, yeah, they like you. Okay? Pero hindi niya masabi. I don't know why. There's this blockages. Some of them kasi they're not ready. They're not ready. They don't know how, maybe. Kung paano mag-approach, kung paano niya uumpisahan, na gusto ka niya, or whatsoever. Yeah. Nabibigyan ka tuloy niya ng mixed signals. But yes, they like you. Okay, so sabi ko every time na may mixed signals, hindi pa natin pwedeng sabihin kung ano talaga yung emosyon kasi sometimes every time na mayroong mixed signals, wala pa dun yung love. Okay, there's always that attraction lang muna. Okay? Yeah. Let's see. Anong meron pagdating sa next action sa'yo? Yeah, na 2 of Cups. Yeah, this person likes you. So, may chance na pwedeng iparamdam. Puro paramdam. The Ace of Pentacles, Universe. May chance na may mangyaring offer dito. Like, ipaparamdam na sa'yo talaga na gusto niya ng 6 of Wands with you. What's the 6 of Wands? Victory, success, na he's really into you. Okay? Some of you, meron talaga ditong blockages, kaya hindi pa niya kayang maging open. Yeah. I-fit ninyo yung situation ninyo, doon sa sinabi ko na yon. Meron blockages dito, kaya hindi pa niya totally kayang maging open sa sitwasyon. Yeah, they like you. Okay? So, let's see what's the outcome bago mag-end ang May. Eight of Cups in reverse. 10 of Cups in reverse. The Chariot. The Wheel of Fortune. Na Queen of Cups. Alam nyo yeah, the Sun in reverse. I think, itong connection nyo na to, sabihin natin, itong taong to, kung sino man siya, they're trying to, to hide everything. The emotion, the action, everything. Some of you, itong taong to, mayroon siyang hinihintay na something like ending sa part mo, Capricorn. Or changes, could be. Okay? Hindi ko nakikita itong taong to na lalayuan ka kasi hindi nila kaya. Hindi nila kayang malayo sa'yo. Yeah, the 2 of Cups. This is a strong connection. They felt a strong connection with you. Feeling a strong connection. Okay? Some of them, they're acting playful, parang ganyan, pero yes, hindi nila masabi yung totoo. Yeah, they want this. The 10 of Pentacles. The 2 of Wands in reverse. They want happy ever after with you. The long-term connection. Okay, the 4 of Cups in reverse. Yeah. The 4 of Cups in reverse, energy yun ng kung mawala ka man dito, you're the one that got away. Parang ganyan. You're the one that got away. So, they really like you. Unti-unti, sabihin nating lumalalim at lumalalim. Kung ano man ang meron sa kanya pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. Kung ano man yung kailangan niyang hintayin sa part mo, kaya niyang hintayin yon. Like that. Wow. Okay, so let's see. All signs, Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget, na mag-like, share, and subscribe. Like. And yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter nasa description box below. Yes, you can send your messages. Oo. Meron tayong page ng Love Letter. So, kung gusto nyo, message lang ako doon. And ano pa ba? Yeah, pwede nating i-ere yung message mo for your person. And syempre, naka-secret lang yung name. Oo, 'di ba? So, let's see. Basta gawin yung way, yung love letter para masabi mo kung ano mga dapat mong sabihin. Kasi yung iba sa atin naka-block, no? Paano natin mako-contact? Mga ganun. Malay nyo, 'di ba? Nasa love letter pala yung person. Okay, let's see. Aries through Pisces. Aries. Okay. They don't see progress with you. Pwedeng walang progress sa inyo ni Aries. Taurus, they miss you. Some of them, nandun yung energy na parang nagtatampo. Okay? Gemini, they see you as a devil. They see you as the devil. Some of them, they're thinking of you. Cancer, they're bitter. Okay. Leo, oh, they love you. Virgo, they want to see you. Okay. Libra, they can trust you. Yeah, they can't. I don't know why, or maybe you don't need to trust this Libra. Scorpio, you have to say no, or maybe there's this energy of healthy boundaries with this Scorpio. Sagittarius, he doesn't want stress, ayaw nila mag-isip, some of them, pagdating sa'yo. Capricorn, some of you, there's this energy of third party involved. Meron din ditong energy ng wanting a reconnection or reconciliation. Okay? Aquarius, they're healing. Pisces, they want to get your attention. They want to hear from you. Something like you're waiting. Parang ganyan. So there, yun ang aking reading for you. Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you.